Okay guys, check out this 2019 Q50 Red Sport. Presents you from Real Deal Auto. This thing's got 400 horsepower. Super fun to drive. Low miles, got like 40-something thousand miles. Rebuilt title, damage was here in the front. All fixed up. $47,717 on the miles. Your cruise control, navigation, all your different options here. Heated seats. There's your key. It's got 360 camera on it. Change your drive modes. This does have a sunroof. One-touch automatic windows, power mirrors, power seats. VIN number. Rash on a lot of these rims here. A little touch up done there. Really cool carbon fiber spoiler on there. Is rear-wheel drive. Some curb rash on those edges of those wheels. Nice car, super fast, fun to drive. 19 Infiniti Q50, rebuilt title, front end damage, 47K miles. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.